Hello, Vince here, and pakita ko lang to, no? Ito yung strategy board namin dito sa office kung saan ako yung consultant, and then I visit here every Monday, and ito yung ginagamit ko where I discuss a lot of strategies. And bakit maraming mga linya-linya, mga diagrams? Kasi for more than a decade, yan po yung pinag-aralan ko, or yan na rin yung naging trabaho ko outside the country. So I'm a licensed marine engineer officer. I work with pipelines, diagrams, systems, machineries, and engines. That's why familiar ako. And then when I look into the business, ang lagi kong tinitingnan talaga is process, sales process. Alam ko kasi if hindi nag-work or hindi nakarating doon, I know some of the line may problema. And that's how you audit, no, nowadays yung mga negosyo, especially na mga nag-digitalize. Kung sa tingin mo hindi nag-work yung strategy nyo ngayon, maybe some of pipes are having frictions. So itong red na to, ito yung frictions ng isang negosyo. And then, nag-propose ako ng another linear lang na sales process, and it worked. It makes sales, no? And ito naman is for another project kung saan it's a full automation, pero isa-isa siyang gagawin, no? So, minsan kasi nakikita lang ng tao, it's a simple ad, but behind it, it's maraming nangyayari. Merong market research, merong framework, merong checklist, merong policies, no, napakalaga nun. And then, maraming sinusunod ng mga digital marketer. Just to make sure na yung ginagawa namin is mag-produce ng result to their business. Yun naman ang end goal pa rin is kumita yung negosyo na hinahawakan namin. No? Ibig sabihin yung maging satisfy yung client. Yung pa rin naman yung end goal ng mga digital marketing specialist or yung mga consultants, no? Right, so kung pinagdadaanan mo rin to, yung ibang mga challenges na to, maybe makatulong ako. So just click the link dun sa Google Form, sagutan mo lang, and let's have a wonderful conversation. See you.